Hey, how's it going? Welcome to Barely Sane Garage. Today I'm going to be talking about when you're doing your LS swap. And this vehicle is a 1968 Firebird, but you're going to come to a point where you try to figure out what kind of gauges I'm going to run. You could do the mechanical gauges, which they work. You could do the Bluetooth dongle where you hook up to the OBD sensor and you hook up an iPad, download that. That works. Dakota Digital has these round gauges that actually fit into the stock position, but it just felt like they were very 1984 C4 Corvette, which is nothing wrong with it. I just didn't want to do it for this setup. I want something modern. And in the next couple of seconds, I'm going to show you how I run through the whole different types of colors and formats that you could put in this setup. So thank you. As soon as you turn it on, you're going to get the Autometer on. It's actually a pretty cool gauge system. With that little knob I'm going to show you, you can actually change out the display. It's pretty cool. So right now I'm on display 3, but so let's go back to display 1. There you go. You got everything. You got your battery, oil, speedometer, gas tank, and water temperature. Let's go to display 2. Check it out. All right, so here's display 2. This was kind of cool. I thought it was kind of more like of DeLorean 1984 C4 Corvette style. If you're into that, it's pretty cool. One of my favorite ones is it's going to be actually display 3. And this is kind of where I'm set up at right now. As you can see, you can also, I think you can also play with the colors, I believe. Yeah, there you go. So right now it's on blue, but you could go to gray, click on it, you can go to red, green. So far I think I have the purple. Here you go, see, you could change it all different colors. Purple is kind of one of my favorite ones. Let's go back. Also, you got blinkers too, so you're gonna have that. When you hit your blinkers, they're also gonna come out on here. Let me show you. I think when I have my lights, it's gonna give you a warning also too, the batteries, but it'll let you know too. You see the little blue there for when you get your high beams. Okay, here we go. We're gonna turn it on.